Your lighting is flawless, and your composition is straight out of a textbook. When you look at your portraits, they just feel empty. Your subjects look stiff, smiles forced. In this video, I'm going to be sharing a few conversational techniques that will make anyone forget that they're in front of a camera. Here is the single biggest mistake we make, thinking our job is to pose someone perfectly. We get so wrapped up in the technicals. That approach treats your subjects like a statue. Instead of asking someone to look happy, ask them what makes them feel happy. And we have the uncanny ability to spot a fake smile. Get to know them. Start with an open-ended question. Try questions like this. Tell me about the first vacation you ever took. What did the air smell like? Or what's the most ridiculous or funny thing that your pet or kid did this week? Then actually listen. As they start to get lost in the story, their whole face will change. Their eyes will light up. That's your moment. Bring up your camera and start shooting while they're talking and remembering. The imagination scenario is all about giving your subject a playful and dramatic situation to react to. This is so effective because it yanks them out of their own head. Okay, imagine you just walked into a room for a huge job interview. You are so prepared, you're on fire, and you know you're the best person for the job. Let me see that look. And for a more playful vibe, pretend you're telling your best friend the most unbelievable gossip, but you can't use any words. And if these ideas are clicking for you, and you're ready to stop taking awkward photos, do me a quick favor. Hit that subscribe button. I drop new videos every week, some with practical tips, and then the week after that, I do cinematography techniques in films and series. And I'd love if you could become part of this community. The most authentic and emotional portraits are almost always found in the in-between moments. You tell someone to give you a big fake laugh. They'll perform one for you, but then a second later, they relax, their shoulders drop. A real gentle smile appears as an echo of the fake laugh fading away. This is your shot. The moment the performance ends is when their personality really shines through. To catch these moments, you have to be ready. Give them a silly instruction like, okay, on 3, give me the most fake, cheesiest laugh that you can think of. They'll do it and it'll probably look awful, but keep shooting. In the moment right after, say something like, okay, that was hilariously terrible, thank you. As they genuinely laugh, the absurdity you capture is gold. Now, these techniques are powerful, but they only work on a foundation of genuine trust. And pay attention to their whole body, not just their face. Are their hands clenched? Are their shoulders tense? If you sense they're uncomfortable, don't just ignore it. Acknowledge it gently. You could say, I know this might feel a little weird at first, but honestly, we're just gonna have a conversation. There's no pressure to perform. Giving positive feedback, like you look amazing. I love how the light is catching your smile right now. Also, it works wonders to build confidence. And remember, your energy is contagious. If you're relaxed, confident, and genuinely curious about the person in front of you, they will feel it and start to relax too. So let's recap. Technically, perfect photos are one thing. Portraits that are full of life are the ones that really connect with people. First, shift your mindset. You're a director, creating a space for connection to happen. Second, use the memory prompt to tap into real emotions and memories from their past. Third, try the imagination scenario to pull them into a story to get spontaneous and authentic reactions. Finally, always be ready for those in-between moments, because that's where the unguarded personality lives. The camera, it's just a tool. The real magic happens when you connect with the person on the other side of it. Now, I have a question for you. What's the biggest struggle you have when you're trying to get your clients to relax and be themselves? Drop it in the comments below and let's help each other out. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.